A safe solar panel installation is essential. Poor installation with overloading are a common cause of fire. With PVbox, FireSwitch and PValarm from Conduct, you're fully protected. PVbox guards against surge, direct or indirect lightning strikes, protecting all located installations. It's fully tested and meets the latest standards. With plug-and-play connectors, you can quickly and safely click everything together. FireSwitch lets you safely disconnect the DC circuit at the PV array. The DC circuit can be switched off automatically or manually. This ensures safe working situations for maintenance and responders, with an optional fire alarm system connection. PValarm protects your installations against sabotage and theft. In the event of cable breakage, inverter theft or power failure, you receive a notification on your phone. PValarm provides visual and acoustic signals and sends notifications via potential free, contacts or SMS. PVbox functions as a central enclosure for FireSwitch and PValarm, but both are available separately. Want to know which PVbox works for you? Use our PVbox tool on the website and configure your optimal protection. Safety to solar.